Congratulations. Thanks for investing in Viral Dashboard. But wait, your order is not complete yet. Upgrade now and put your social media management on complete autopilot and get automated content for 30 days. With zero grunt work. Say goodbye to creating content and posting manually once and for all. Upgrade now to Viral Dashboard social automation and say goodbye to any manual work once and for all. Let automation take care of your business growth. Auto schedule and automate whole week/months worth of posts. WordPress to social channels trigger. RSS feeds to social media trigger. Content sources to social channels trigger. Video to social media triggers. E-com platforms to social media triggers. Get premium support. Zero monthly or yearly payment hassles. Hurry, limited time offer ends soon. Get instant access for $67/m. $67 one time today. Get this exclusive upgrade now. Welcome to. Here are some of the premium benefits you get with Viral Dashboard social automation triggers today. Premium feature 1. Auto schedule and automate whole week/months worth of posts to Facebook groups. Premium feature 2. WordPress to social channels trigger. Connect your WordPress blogs to auto schedule and publish your content to your social media in seconds. Viral Dashboard picks the latest content from your blog and automatically posts it on your connected social channels without lifting a finger. Premium feature 3. RSS feeds to social media trigger. Use this trigger to connect any RSS feed from any blog type you're using and auto schedule and publish to your social media channels in seconds. Premium feature 4. Content sources to social channels trigger. Find quotes, memes, GIFs and images from your selected topics and post them automatically to any social media channel in one click. Premium feature 5. Video to social media triggers. Once you connect your favorite video platforms with Viral Dashboard, every video you upload will automatically be published to your social media channels. YouTube to social media triggers. Connect YouTube channels with Viral Dashboard to automatically publish and schedule new videos to your social media channels. Vimeo to social media triggers. Connect your Vimeo account to automatically publish and schedule new videos to your social media channels. Movio to social media triggers. If you have a Movio account, you can connect it here and all your new videos will be published automatically to all your social media profiles. Premium feature 6. E-com platforms to social media triggers. Just connect your e-commerce accounts and automatically publish to your social media channels. Shopify to social media trigger. Connect your Shopify account to automatically publish and schedule new product listings, updates, blogs to your social media channels. WooCommerce to social media trigger. Connect your WooCommerce account to automatically publish and schedule new product listings, updates, articles, blogs to your social media channels. eBay to social media triggers. Connect your eBay account to automatically schedule new product updates, listings, blogs, announcements to your social media in one click. ETSE to social media triggers. Connect your ETSE account to Curate from your store and automatically schedule new product updates, listings, blogs, articles in a flash. Why settle for small one-time deals when you can have recurring income for years to come? But I'm still wondering, how much does this social automation triggers cost? Normally, getting a piece of this technology would cost you a bare minimum of $197 or even more for just 1 month. So, if you had to get access for only a year, you'd be paying at least $2,355, and that too with some restrictions. Whereas, if you want to go beyond the ordinary, just upgrade today at a low one-time price and get all these premium benefits without investing a fortune. Let's make this deal an unforgettable affair. Only for early action takers. We're offering premium bonuses worth $2,865 with this upgrade today. Bonus number 1. WooCommerce eStore Builder. Value, $647. Bonus number 2. PinMatrix Pro. Value, $997. Bonus number 3. Ad Rotator. Value, $397. Bonus number 4. Backlinks Warrior. Value, $497. Bonus number 5. Start your own coaching business. Value, $597. I know this is an amazing deal. But, will I be able to afford this? So, we decided to go beyond the normal and offer these amazing benefits for a low one-time price today. Your purchase is backed with our 30-day money-back guarantee. We are 200% sure that the powerful features packed in this upgrade are not available anywhere else at such a low price. However, we can only accept a limited number of people at this unbelievable low one-time price, so claim your spot and take advantage of our offer before it expires forever. We are very transparent with our dealings with our customers, hence you have 30 days to check this. Get complete access to Viral Dashboard Social Automation Upgrade today. Get 20 automations. $47. Viral Dashboard AIB3, Social Automation Triggers Starter. Get 50 automations. $67. Viral Dashboard AIB3, Social Automation Triggers Personal. Get unlimited automations. $37/m. Viral Dashboard